girl. I have two pencils. One is dark and one is light. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the head. If you want to do the purple head, you need something like that. You need a dark pencil or a light, then you go at the back like that. And the circle. There. Now the circle looks normal. When you have that done, you're just gonna do a little ball like that for the eyes. You're gonna make one big ball at the top and one a little ball. Then the rest you're gonna color in. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but on the other side. A little big ball, then a small one at the bottom. Now we're gonna do the eyelashes. Now when we're done the head, the eyes and the eyelashes, then we're gonna make the mouth. Now when we got that done, now we're gonna do this. So first we're gonna make a line going like that and a curve, a little bit in the curve. Then we're gonna go like that. Then we're gonna make little bumps down and go up to make a t-shirt. Now we're gonna make a little circle up here and the little lines over down here. Now when we got that done, now what's the next thing what we're gonna do? The next thing is we're gonna do her dress. First we're gonna go like that, then a curve, and the same on the other side, then we're gonna connect it at the bottom. Now when we got that done, we're gonna do her legs. First we're gonna do one little line, then another little line, then this line we're gonna pull up and do that, and the same on the other side. Now when we got that done, now we're doing her shoes. Gonna make like that, a curve, then going up, down, across, up. Now we're gonna do the hair. First we're gonna make a line like that, going a curve and making like these bumps. Then we're gonna stop over there and go there. Now the same thing on the other side. And now we're done. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and click the like button. See you!